So guys, I'm just going to take my time and hollow this out. I'll come back and show you guys once I'm further in, but it's gonna take way too long, as you can see. So I'll be back once I've done some progress. Okay guys, I've hollowed out most of it. It's 2/3 hollowed out, as you can see, but it was really difficult to get in there, but it's getting there. I just need to hollow more out. It needs to be more hollowed out. So basically I've been doing this just like I showed you at the start. Once you hollow out here and you got room to push in the tool rest, make sure it's not hitting anywhere, not hitting the side here, not hitting the inside. And I keep on taking the tool rest out, emptying all the shavings, then I put it back in. Otherwise it gets stuck and it might force the whole thing out the chuck. So just watch out. I'll show you a little bit of it, then I'll go back off camera and do the rest then, because the camera is in the way right now. So I'll just show you guys a bit. Okay guys, I've done hollowing the inside, and I've sanded inside and out again. The outside I did a little readjusting the shape. I'm happy with it now. I'm going to apply Yorkshire grit. Let's see the true colors. Even without the finish on, it looks so nice. Oh yeah. Okay, so I'm going to use a microfiber cloth. This is easy to tear, so it won't be a risk. It's just that these little holes where the box are, it's not holes but indents, it will tear the tissue. And I'm too tired to go over and get it from all the nooks and crannies, so this is gonna do. Oh yeah, I hope you guys can see well. Such a lovely grain that is. And just underneath the bark it looks like a fiery kind of color. I love these. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing for the inside and this face, and then we'll move on to the lid. Sorry guys about that, the battery died. I just did this finial, top of the finial. So Okay guys, I'm going to sand this now and apply Yorkshire grit, microcrystalline wax like I did the box. Once I'm done, I'll come back. I don't want this video to be way too long, so I'll skip the repeated part like I did before, where it's just applying Yorkshire grit and finishing. So there we have it guys, it's all done. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I enjoyed turning this. Thank you all who watched till the end. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care guys. Bye.